this one's gonna be on TubeBuddy, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to be able to increase your video views for a specific video that maybe it's not doing too well, so you want to go ahead and do some promotion. So all you need to do is have the free account for TubeBuddy, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you one that is already available, that's already uploaded. However, you can do it while you're uploading. Probably the best way to do it. What I will do first, I will go ahead and show you. If I open up the incognito window, okay, and then if I go to YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the latest one that I used, the bid-to-bid. It's actually for matplotlib subplots. So if I just type in here matplotlib and then subplots, so as you see, I think it's number 11 right now. It's got 164 views. But let me go ahead and show you right now the actual amount of views that it has. So as of right now, it's got, this is like right now, as of right now, it's got 226 views. But if we look at this one here, it's showing 164. Okay, so this is probably about maybe like 2 weeks back, maybe about a week back. I'm not sure like how often they update it. But as you see, this one has 164 and now it's got 226. This one, if we see here on Tuesday, September 17th, so that was about a month ago. It only had 92, and it remained like it wasn't getting too many views, right? It was at 100 for like for a while, and then finally, what I did is probably like around November something, November 8th, I think it was, or somewhere around this day, I went ahead and did the bid-to-bid with TubeBuddy, and now you see how it started jumping up, way up, way up. So now it's up to 226 views, and this is like completely free to do, and it helps out a lot actually. I did it for another video when I first hit uploaded, and like within less than a month actually, it already had like 300 views, which was not supposed to get that many views, but because it was advertised basically or promoted, and then it got that many views. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to be able to do this. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pick a video that you want. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with the matplotlib animations. So right now it's only got like 8 views, so it hasn't gotten that many views. So go ahead and click on that, and then down here where it says promote, you got that B2B promotion. Okay, and then after that, just go ahead and click on continue. And what it'll do is it'll go ahead and leave this message on just about every, well, not every video, but a lot of videos that you have uploaded. So even the good ones are gonna have this message. So so that's it. And then you want it at the end of the description or at the start. So I would go with the start, because they'll see it right away. So that's it. And then after that, you just click on continue, and then promotion method ready. So start promotions. So basically, once it's finished, it should take about, depending on how many videos you have, like I only have like, well, actually this would only grab to 50, so it should take about maybe like 10 minutes to go through all of it. And once it's completed, then you can close it, and that's it. Now this one will be the one that's going to show up. So let me go ahead and show you what will happen is I'm going to go ahead and click on this video here, which is the latest one that I just uploaded today. So I haven't done anything to the video. So, but if I scroll down,
would you like to master Excel?
Oops. So if you see here, it has this please watch matplotlib animations tutorial, and it's got the link to it. So that's what it does on every single video, like, well, 250 videos available. So this helps out a lot. And actually, I believe that I had like previously like put this at the bottom, but now since it's at the top, it's gonna like bring more attention to it. So this is extremely like helpful to increase the views for your specific video that you wanna rank or whatever. So that's how you're able to use bid-to-bid with TubeBuddy. So that's it for now. Bye.